of baby spinach, and the more the merrier here, really, as much as you can fit in the blender. Baby spinach is really sweet, it's really mild, so it's great if you are new to green smoothies, but if you want it to be a little bit bolder, you could also use some kale or some chard here. Then I have 1 frozen banana. I always recommend using frozen fruit when you're making your smoothies because A, it keeps the flavor of the smoothie really concentrated, and B, it makes the smoothie really rich and creamy. If you are not a banana person, you could sub in a cup of frozen mango here as well. That would be perfect. Next, I'm adding in 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. Now, vanilla protein powder is a great supplement if you're looking to get more protein into your day. I personally love the flavor and the texture of whey protein, but you certainly could look for a plant-based protein powder as well. I'm going to link to some of my favorites, some of my personal favorites down in the description box below. But whatever you buy, just make sure that you look for simple ingredients and a short ingredient list. Next, I have 1